Frozen pipes don't burst because it's cold. They burst because your house lets the cold win. Once you understand why pipes in Canada, the damage suddenly stops feeling random. Let's break it down. What's actually happening? The thing about water is that it doesn't freeze politely. As temperature drops below zero, the water inside your pipes begins to expand. That expansion creates pressure inside. And not just at the frozen spot, but throughout the entire pipe. Something like traffic on a highway. One accident doesn't just block one lane, it backs everything up behind it. Similarly, the pipe doesn't burst where it's frozen. It bursts where the pressure has nowhere left to go. Cause number 1. Cold air. Most frozen pipes aren't deep inside insulated walls. They're in crawl spaces, garages, exterior walls, and basements. These places have no or really thin insulation, which allows cold air to wrap around the pipe faster than the water inside can move heat. And cold air doesn't need much time. Just one overnight drop can be enough to freeze a pipe. Cause number 2. Still water. At Superior Plumbing, we've experienced that pipes freeze more often when water isn't moving consistently. When a pipe sits unused, the water inside loses heat faster. That's why vacation homes, guest bathrooms, and rarely used sinks are common failure points. Moving water resists freezing, whereas still water surrenders quickly. Even a slow drip can make the difference between a safe pipe and a burst one. Cause number 3. Sudden temperature drops. Canada doesn't always ease into winter. Rapid temperature swings don't give homes time to adjust. Pipes cool faster than insulation can protect them, especially overnight. That's why many pipe bursts happen during the first major cold snap of the season, not on the coldest day. Cause number 4. Small gaps. Small gaps are one of the most overlooked causes of frozen pipes. Tiny cracks around vents, foundation seams, or utility lines let cold air sneak inside. That cold air settles around exposed pipes, slowly dropping temperature until the water inside freezes, often without any warning signs. Have you experienced frozen pipes in these Canadian filters? Comment below.